Hello guys, welcome to my channel Gadget Pro. Alright, let's talk about two game-changing gadgets that are making life easier in 2025. The Roborock Saros Z70 vacuum and the remarkable Paper Pro. You want a spotless home or distraction-free digital notebook? We have got you covered. So let's go. First up, Roborock Saros Z70, and trust me, this little guy is not messing around. With jaw-dropping 22,000 PA of section power, it's basically a black hole for dirty techless better screens, and whether you are mystery chunking on your flow, no problem. Get this, it's got time. A flat sensor meaning it scan your home like a high-tech drone and avoids obstacle like a pro. No more watching your robot vacuum slim into walk like a confused roller. Oh, and it's only 3.40-inch tall, so it slide under chairs and beds, reaching the dustbinings. You printed don't exist, plus with its self-emptying. Duck, you don't have to touch a dustbin up to 7 weeks setup. Forget it and enjoy a cleaner home. Now if you are drawing in notebooks, sketching notes and lost to do the list, meet your next best friend, the remarkable Paper Pro. This thing is the coolest. You will get a real paper without actually killing trees. It's got an ultra-responsive glare-free display that feels buttery smooth with the upgraded stylus. Whether you are taking notes, sketching ideas or making up PDFs, this thing is a productivity best. And unlike your regular tablet, the remarkable Paper Pro is a restriction-free. No social media, no notification, just a pure focused writers, students and professional. This is a game changer. So whether you are looking to keep your home spotless with the Roborock Saros Z70 or take your notes to the next level with remarkable Paper Pro, these two gadgets are worth every penny. What do you think? Which one would you grab first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, and if you want to more gadget reviews and updates, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on this gadget videos.